Taking to the streets, well, this is the second time that some of the employees have downed tools, calling on the hospital CEO to step down. Well, they allege widespread corruption, maladministration and nepotism. Well, there was a large police presence at the hospital while protesters then marched to a nearby park.
Jobs are being sold. We've tried to talk to the CEO, but he undermines us.
The corruption at Baragwanath is rife. It's really bigger than the word corrupt itself. If you can visit individual PSUs, you'll be shocked at the morale that the staff has, because they feel they've been neglected. They feel they've been crying in a vacuum far long enough.
We said he must step down as an acting CEO, but also to get an investigation on these allegations of corruption, he must be precautionally transferred or suspended so that the outcomes of the investigations are not contaminated.
They marched back to the hospital entrance to demand that the facilities management respond to a memorandum of demands they handed over during a protest on August the 1st. Just as the Deputy Director General of Clinical Services, Dr. Medupi Modisane, tried to give feedback, protesters were having none of it.
The process is at that level where the implicated officials have been engaged. There is timeline to it. Within 5 working days, a decision would be made.
Some patients had to be turned away.
We brought our child for x-rays. They have been monitoring him, but today we were told they can't help us.
So today we came, Lana, and then they told us they can't help us. So we had to go back.
I was here for antenatal checkup, but I got the services, but it's short staff.
The hospital says it's been hit hard in some departments.
There are areas that are completely affected, like casualty. Theatre, we're only doing emergencies, and some wards are attended to by skeleton staff like ICU. So there has been significant impact on service delivery. We have informed EMS that because of this, they should not bring patients to this institution.
The Gauteng Department of Health and unions have scheduled a meeting to find a solution. Chris Lewis, SABC News, at Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital in Soweto.